try it.
I got a little bit. Ooh! 3 times.
No way.
Oh, 2 in a row! I didn't think I was gonna get 2. And the first one was no looker. Go!
The shot. It's literally from way back here to all the way over there. That's more than a half court shot. And it's a hooker. Where you shoot, look at his shot form. Oh! Did that go in? Did that green in? Did that? Yes! No way! No way! No way! No freaking way! No way! No way! No way! No way! Oh my gosh! Bros! 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 He did that. And here's the ball. Bros. 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 Thanks, guys.
Today, we have to make 2 in a row from this straight line. You can't really see it, but it's here. Straight line. Straight line. All right. Make one. I'm gonna make one. Here we go. In a row. Easy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Basically, it's a gray line shootout. Alright. Here we go. See if I can make it. Oh! Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh! That's basically that's like 3 steps in front of half court shot. First try! First try! Curry. That was the worst stab ever.
But it was the best half court shot.
Stick backwards bouncing shot.
Oh!
Oh! He made it! 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 He made it!
Yes, please.
Gatorade! This is the end of the video. Go. 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 Fuck it. How did he make that trick shot? How?
Oh,